Hi guys! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. This is PJ Azrin, and for today's topic, we're gonna discuss why you should learn Salesforce this 2020. Hi guys! Good morning, good evening, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. This is PJ Azrin, and for today's topic, we're gonna discuss why you should learn Salesforce this 2020. This is your first time visiting my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are updated on any upcoming videos or live stream, and you can also click the join button so that you can be part of my channel membership. Okay, I am PJ Azrin and I am a Salesforce certified professional. First, we need to know what is Salesforce. Ano nga ba ang Salesforce? Salesforce is the world's number one customer relationship manager used by companies of all sizes, from small startups to Fortune 500 giants. It makes organizing your sales, marketing, operations, and more teams in one central hub easier than ever, allowing you to focus on growth rather than getting aligned in the first place. For today, we're gonna discuss about 5 reasons why you should learn Salesforce this 2020. First, or number one reason is demand. Okay? Demand. Demand is enormous and growing. According to an IDC study, demand is expected to create 4.2 million jobs in the Salesforce ecosystem until 2024. As the platform itself grows and reaches more companies, those companies need qualified individuals to help them implement and administer Salesforce. Chances are your next job will require Salesforce skills. Reason number 2, salary. Outstanding salaries. On average, jobs with Salesforce skills pay around $80,000 per year. US dollars per year. Around 65 up to as high as $150,000. So the average is $80,000 per year. Okay? There are over 1 million jobs in the Salesforce ecosystem. Whatever your background or interest, there's a path for you in Salesforce. Reason number 3. Reason number 3, career growth. It can grow your career from a developer to a technical architect, or from a sales or a marketing career to a management or an executive position. Reason number 4, it's easy to learn. Not that super easy, but there are learning materials available. There are documentations available. There are trailhead, meaning online training classes that Salesforce is providing, and you can have your own learning environment, and you have a chance for certification, which is very highly recognized by all of companies in the world. Last but not the least, reason why you need to learn Salesforce is that there are numerous Salesforce community, depending on what you like and depending on your location, that you can be a part of, that will help you grow in the Salesforce ecosystem. So just to give you a background, I'm a Salesforce certified professional, and I've been with the Salesforce ecosystem for more than 5 years now, and I've been with the IT industry for more than 16 years now. And for me personally, I like Salesforce. I like the community itself. I like the environment. I like the work that we do in the Salesforce. I like to be able to provide solution and be able to connect with different types of people, different industry, and will be able to learn something new. Salesforce a big application, and there are different things that you can learn on Salesforce. Okay, so those are the 5 reasons why you should learn Salesforce this 2020. Is it too late for you to learn? No. Is it good for you to learn Salesforce? Yes. Okay, but you need to learn fast because the competition is high already. So you need to double your effort in learning it, and make sure that you'll have a team or a group of person that will be able to guide you in learning this Salesforce. This is PJ Azurin, and I hope you learned something, and God bless everyone. Bye-bye.